Hi everybody, thanks for coming by the channel today. We are going to do I just opened Sephora Play January 2019 box. Actually, it's Play by Sephora. It's a $10 a month subscription that you just do right through the Sephora site. And they send 5 sample products of products that they carry. And this is what we got this month. Don't look. This month is Your Beauty Future, and it has your beauty scope on it. Let's see, let's randomly pick one. Like, if your birthday is now, what are you? If your birthday is now, you are an Aquarius. It just turned. Aquarians just want to live their best free-spirited life. That nonconformist attitude means you're more likely to start trends than follow them. Lean into your creative side and you'll be rocking next year's must-haves hairstyle before anyone else. I'd like to have next year's hairstyle before anyone else. You also get 50 extra points with your next purchase for your Beauty Insider card. So that's kind of fun. So let's get in here. This is the plastic bag that it comes in now. And let's reach in here and see what we've got. All right, we've got a CEO Sunday Riley Brighten Serum. And it says, blinded by the bright. CEO Sunday Riley Rapid Flash Brightening Serum is a fast-absorbing serum that uses vitamin C to brighten the skin. So that's kind of cool. Let's see how big it is in here. I guess they were protecting it from the light. Let's see, one of the little, this is the thing, this is the reason why people love or hate as a rule the Sephora, is you get generally small samples for your, oh, it's sealed. You know what, I'm going to leave it sealed because I don't know that I will use this because I have other Sunday Riley products coming that I want to try first. So since it's a vitamin C, I'm going to leave it closed and unsampled. But that's it says it's 0.17 fluid ounces. Next we have, oh cool, a Beauty Blender solid soap in charcoal. This is very cool. This says, a clean slate Beauty Blender charcoal solid pro. And it's just for cleaning your brushes or your beauty blenders. You just get it wet and rub them on the top and give them a good squeeze, and it cleans them out really nicely. I have the regular pinks that I use for my beauty blenders, and I also use them for my brushes. I use them for everything. So this is awesome. I can always use more. And I have heard that the charcoal one is better at getting out stains, so I'm anxious to put that to the test. Let's see what else we've got. Okay, we've got the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. Oh, I'm so excited to try this. I love a lot of the K-Beauty things, but I get nervous about trying so many face things because, as I've talked about in the past, I'm so sensitive. But I've had a lot of luck. I got these sleeping lip masks from Laneige. This is the exact same size of the sleeping lip mask I got is the regular size, and then it had 3 of this size and different flavors to try. But this is the face mask in Laneige. Oh, it's like a gel. That's very cool. Doesn't smell like much of anything. Let's see what it feels like. It's kind of bluish, and it's just, oh, it's just like a light gel. Let's see what it says about it. Okay, it says, overnight sensation, a quick absorbing gel mask that hydrates skin while you sleep. That's very cool. It says 1 or 2 nights a week or whenever your skin needs extra hydration. Apply a quarter-sized amount, leave on overnight, and rinse in the morning. That's very cool. I cannot wait to try this and see how it does with the lips thing. My lips are on point. I have had really good luck this winter because I've been every night. I'm really good about doing my overnight lip mask, and it's made all the difference in the world. Okay, next we have a Bite Beauty. It's a little duo of the Agave Lip Scrub and the Agave Lip Balm. That's the back side of it, so you can see exactly what it is. And it's from Bite. And it says, a gentle lip scrub and soothing balm duo that delivers soft, smooth, hydrated skin. Now I will tell you, I've used this in the past. It was actually part of Sephora's birthday giveaway last year. So I like to think that these aren't just leftovers. But anyway, I found the balm to be a little firm, but it could have been too cold when I tried it. I will definitely try it again, especially now that when you get the Laneige sleeping lip masks, you get a little spatula And now that I have the spatula, it'll be easy to get down in this and give it a try. But that's pretty cool. You know, I could always use a lip scrub. Who couldn't use a lip scrub every now and again? All right, next we have, oh yay, this makes me happy. I love the Bite Beauty products. This is a Bite Beauty Matte Concealing Lap Crayon in Glacé. It's that nice pinkish color. This looks like it's gonna be a great one for me. I know some people out there are like, oh no, not another dusty mauve when those come out, but that's just perfect for my skin tone. So I love it when we get another boring dusty mauve. Yay. I love the feel of the Bite products. The lips are so, they stay on pretty well for, you know, it's just lipstick, so it's not like the lip liquids that last forever. But they stay on well for lipsticks, and they always smell nice, a little sweet but not too much, and they're usually really hydrating. They're just, I love the Bite products. Let's see what this says about that. This says it's a long-wearing formula that makes skin look supple and smooth with every swipe. Orange peel wax seals in moisture for a water-resistant yet hydrating finish. So that's very cool. So that implies that it is going to last longer than an average lipstick, and also sealing in moisture is always a good thing. Okay, and last but not least, well, this is unusual. Oh, right. I heard about these. Not a fan. Okay. We have, it says the future is fungi. I'm going to put my glasses on for this because this isn't makeup, so it's not words I'm familiar with. It is a golden latte mushroom mix with shiitake and turmeric. A drinkable blend of natural ingredients that delivers a glow from within radiance. Yeah, I'm not using these. I take a few medications and I worry about contraindications with everything, so I'm not doing it. I will maybe pass them along, but a golden latte mushroom mix, not a fan. I think it's a weird product, but there are 3 of them, so if you love them, then yay, you're thrilled with this month. I personally think it's a little odd in a Sephora beauty, but that's my personal opinion. Okay, so that's the end of this month. So we have the Bite Beauty in Glacé. I have the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask, the Solid Beauty Blender Cleanser, the Bite Agave Lip Balm and Scrub, and the CEO Brightening Serum. And the mushrooms, if I didn't mention the mushrooms. Good. So that's a pretty good bag. So that's why some people love the Sephora or hate it, frankly, because you always get the tiny little samples. Although this is, I don't know how, let's see if I can find out. They say never do this, but, so that's, okay, that's it. So that's how much lipstick you get. So that's a decent amount. I mean, that's more than it looks like. It's, oops, I almost pushed it off there. It's a couple weeks worth, and it's going down nicely. I know they say never roll things up because you, because you might not get them back down, but that worked nicely. So, oh, and the Beauty Blender, that'll last a good little while. I have the regular original size, but I also have a small size like this in pink, and they last a long time. So, thanks for coming by, guys. Please like, subscribe, comment below if you got something different in your bag, or what do you think about the mushrooms? Do you think that this is an appropriate sample for inside of a beauty box, or do you think, like me, that it's kind of weird? You don't have to agree with me. It won't hurt my feelings. Well, I mean, don't be mean. That would hurt my feelings. But what do you think about mushroom latte in a beauty box? Kind of weird. All right, see you next time, guys. Thanks for coming by.